Hello, this is Zeph
Yeah.
and Tony. Assignment number 4, the keypad integration.
Yep, and here's our main function, and basically just loops and gets a character from the keypad, and we're going to write it to the LCD display. And the most recent character that we chose persists until we choose another number on the keypad.
So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 1 again.
And and so if you notice, the character persists until we
Press a new button, and whether we hold
it.
It doesn't matter if we hold down; it will always just be 2.
Yeah,
Cool.
And that concludes assignment 4.
Woo.